So guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to reveal you the best software for screen recording and live streaming. So sometimes we wanted to record our screen so that we can show that particular video as a tutorial to our audience. And there are many other events where we need to record our screen so that we can show that particular screen or particular video to our audience. And even if we want to live stream like a gamer, you might have seen gaming channels on YouTube, you might have seen gaming channels on Twitch as well. So the way they live stream, where all the things, all the information shows in their screen, like the gaming screen and the comment section and all the extra other things like super chats, extra comments, super comments, everything shows in their screen, can be possible with this particular software which I'm going to reveal you today. Right, so let's directly jump into my browser and find out that which software is this. So guys, as a YouTubers, many times we wanted to record our screen for various reasons, and if we are not able to properly record our screen, so basically this affects our users experience, right? It affects our overall viewers experience. So in order to properly screen record, or in order to do a proper live stream, you can download a software which is an open source software by the name of OBS. You just need to enter OBS Studio on Google and you land on their website, which is obsproject.com. So this is the open software, totally free. You don't need to pay a single penny for this software. Let me open this website. So when I open this website, you will be able to see the landing page like this, and here you'll get all major three platforms like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So this OBS Studio or OBS project is available for these three operating systems. So most of the users, or the majority of the users, were is going with the Windows one. So I do have also the Windows one, so I'm just downloading the Windows software, and as you can see, it is being downloaded. Once it gets downloaded, you can simply install it on your PC. So guys, as you can see, the Studio has been downloaded in my PC. Now you need to install it like any other software by double clicking on it, and manually you can install it on your PC. And once the software gets installed, you need to open it like any other software. Now I'm not going to install it in my PC because the OBS Studio is already installed in my PC. So I'm directly going to open it. Right. So you can also open it like by just installing it. You don't need to do anything extra, right? Once the software gets open, you will see a screen like this, where this is the blank screen where your screen will show, and these are the controls where all the magic happens, right? So in the first part we do have scene. So what you can do is you can add multiple scenes in your OBS Studio, and whenever or whatever scene you want to use, you can use it. Here you can create your own scenes. If I click on this plus icon, you'll be able to see that you can set the name of the scene. By default there is one scene, scene 1 or scene by default it is, and after that you will be able to set the name of the scenes, right? Let's say if I click OK, this is the scene 2. Now if you want to do any customization on the scene, you can open source filters, and here you can basically add these kind of extra things in your scene. But by default, let's say you just want to record your screen right now, you don't want to live stream like a advanced gamer. So what you can do is you can go with the default scene and you can just delete it, because I don't want to confuse you with tons of extra knowledge of this OBS software, right? So once the scene is done, you don't need to do anything extra in the scene part. Now you just need to add the sources, like what kind of sources you want. What are the things, like you want to record your audio, so you need to add the audio source from this list. Then you need to record the screen or any specific window, then you need to add the window source from this list. Let's say I want to record the screen right now. So for that, for the screen right now, we do have this display capture, right? If you want, you can name it like my PC or display 1 or display 2, whatever you want, or by default you can leave it like this. Once you hit the OK button, you'll be able to select the display, that which display you want to select. Right, so I want to keep it on automatic, but if you want, you can select it like Windows 10 and DXGI, or you can keep it on automatic. Right now I'll keep it on automatic. Now as you can see, my screen is appeared. Now after this, obviously I need one audio source as well in order to record the screen and record the audio. So for that, again I'll go on plus icon, and here I'll see the audio source, which is input audio capture. So I'll click on that. Again, if you want to name it, you can name it, otherwise you can go with the default option. And here you can select the devices. Let's say you have connected multiple mics to your computer, so you'll be able to see all the connected mics which is available right now. So I do have only two. This one is my external mic, and this is the internal mic in my laptop. So I'll go with this one and hit the OK. Once I select the mic, now I can see the audio input capture over here. Right, this is the level I can set for my mic, and this is the desktop audio. Desktop audio is basically, let's say I play a YouTube video, so that YouTube video's sound capture is this. If I increase this, the audio will capture, otherwise the audio will not capture. Right, so this is how the audio and basically the source and audio and all things works. Right, after this, what you have to do is basically you need to go to the settings option. Right, not this settings, you need to go to this settings option, and here you can set all the things, like you can set the output settings, like on where you want to save your file, or which quality, what kind of quality you want, recording quality, what kind of format you want. Right, these are the formats are available. Then video encoder, audio encoder. So these are the options are available in your recording part. And right now we are not talking about streaming part, because this software is capable to stream in a good quality as well. So but right now we are not talking about streaming part, live streaming part. We'll talk about this later on the upcoming videos. Right, so here we do have but streaming part as well. Now in audio part, same goes with the audio settings as well. You can customize your audio settings once you are done with the customization with your audio. And once you click on this start recording button, the video, or basically the screen, will record it. If I show you one example, let me show you this, that I have recorded right now with the OBS software. So this is the video has been recorded using the OBS software. Right, I'm not doing anything, this is happening like automatically, right, because the video has been recorded. So this is how you can also record using the OBS software, and even you can record any specific window as well, because right now as you can see, I have recorded the whole display, my screen. So whatever I do on my screen will record it. But if you want to record any specific window, you can do that as well using this window capture option. So you just need to click on this, you can name it as usual, and here you can select the windows, whatever the window you want to record. So for that you need to expand, basically open these windows which you want to record. Right, now you'll be able to see that in the sources I've selected Windows capture, and here again, wait, let me click on window capture, and now I can see all three windows which I have opened. Right, this one, and this video section as well. So this is how you can use OBS software. I hope you understood the process, and if you are still confused, you don't have to worry. In the upcoming videos I'll show you how to do recording, and even how to do live stream using this OBS software. So stay tuned with the course. I'll be meeting you in the next video.